Hello friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Squidward from Spongebob, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First we're going to get started with the nose right in the middle. So from the center here, we're going to curve this line around and in. We're going to replicate this on the opposite side, curving this around, connecting that together right in the center. Let's split the eyes in half. We're going to draw in a straight line coming up. From here now, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. Let's draw in the eyes now. So coming up in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. On both sides, we're going to curve this line around and in for the top of that eyelid. And then moving up again, leaving in a small gap, we're going to replicate that, bringing in another straight line across. Let's come underneath for the eyeball. So we're going to arch this line around and in towards that nose. Now for the pupil, we're going to draw in an arch line. So we're going to round this around, bringing that up. And then right in the center, we're going to replicate that again, just leaving a gap on both sides. And then we'll just color in that center pupil black. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, pulling that in towards the middle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, pulling this over and in, and we're just going to blend that together. Let's draw in his frown lines here now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and then back over. We'll do the exact same thing in the middle, just making this one longer. And then one more time as we move up. Let's draw on the rest of the face now. So we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down on both sides. Now for the mouth, stepping in, we're going to curve this line around, up and in towards that nose. Now for that frown, we're going to curve this down on both sides. Let's draw on his hat. So coming over on the top, we're going to curve this line up, arching that out, tucking that back in on the side. From the right-hand side here, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back through on a diagonal. Now on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. We'll do the same thing as we come over on the right, ending that at the same distance there. And then we'll close this off with an arch line right on the top. In the middle, we're just going to draw in a straight line across. Now let's come down and draw on the rest of the body. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line, curving that in towards the center. For that collar, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out on each side. Now from here, we're going to curve these lines up towards the top. And then we'll just draw in a diagonal line coming in towards that nose. Now for the body on both sides, we're going to curve this around and in. We'll close off his t-shirt, so we're just going to draw in another curved line across further down towards the bottom. And now let's close off his arm. So we're just going to close off the sleeve here. We're going to curve this over and out. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same distance there. And then we're just going to flatten this out on the side. Now for the arm, stepping over, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming across. We'll do the exact same thing on the inside. So we're just going to arch this around, down, and up, replicating this on the opposite side. Now let's bend the elbow. So we're going to bring this out, around, and in, connecting that together. And then we'll just continue to arch this around and through on the side. Now let's draw in a circle. Now let's come down and draw in the leg. So right in the center, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down in the middle. We're going to curve this line out, around, and back in. Ending that at the same height. From here, we're going to pull this line down. So we're just going to curve this around and up. And then now from here, we're going to flatten this out with a straight line, pulling that in towards the body. Let's close off the sides. So from that point, we're going to arch this around and down. Moving up, we're going to curve this around and then out. Now we're going to draw in a small circle here on the very top. Moving down, let's replicate that in the middle. And then coming down again one more time. We're going to draw a small half circle right on the top here in that open gap. And that is it. That's how you draw Squidward from SpongeBob. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.